In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a tracking link for propeller ads. And I will show you how the tracking tools work. First of all, go to the left and click on tracking. Then select bmob from the conversion tracking. Copy the postback URL and go to bmob and click on traffic sources. Click on new from templates. As you can see here in this table, type in propeller ads. As you can see, we named the traffic source propeller ads, and in the postback URL, you're gonna delete the existing one and you're gonna pass the one you have already copied. Then click on save. Then go to campaigns and click on new and name your campaign. Let's, for example, name it test one. In traffic source, choose propeller ads. Go to destination and choose built-in flow and select an offer. Then click on save. You copy your campaign URL and then you go to propeller ads and click on create campaign. In the previous video, I have already shown you how to create your campaign, so it's the same process. Here in target URL, you will paste your campaign URL that you have copied. So this is all about it, and you must fill all the rest of the details. So let's go to creative one. Here you can create another creative. The main role of creating a second and third creative is so that you can test your campaigns, and you can change them and edit them and see which change works for you the most. For example, if you change the images or the description, it's simply just for testing. So now I will show you how the tracking tools work. Go to your notes block or your online notes block and paste the URL over here. For example, let's choose a random number for the visitor ID. Same thing with the zone ID and the banner ID. For example, let's choose in banner ID B1. Let's create two other links for the second and third creative. And here we're gonna adjust just the banner ID from B2 to B3. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open link 1 and link 2 only one time each. But the third link we're gonna open it 3 times. Now go back to bmob and click on refresh. Then select your campaign. Like you see here, we have 5 visits in total, which we just made by ourselves. If you want to know specific details about this campaign, here in this place is where you can choose by which type you want to search. Either it's the operation systems. For example, let's search by browsers. We click on this small, let's click on campaign, and you can see here all the 5 visits came from Chrome. In third column, let's choose countries. Here you can see all the 5 visits came from Morocco. Now go to custom. As you can see, custom 1, you can know the zone ID. And custom 3, banner ID. Here you will gather information about the 3 creatives that we have already made previously. Let's choose custom 3. As you can see here, we have the three creatives, and that we adjusted their banner ID from B1 to B2 to B3. Here we opened the first creative only one time. As you can see, we have one visitor. The same goes for the second creative, but we opened the third creative three times, and here you can see three visitors. When you analyze your data, and if you find that the first creative B1 is the one that brings you more conversions and visitors, then you will go back to Propellerads and delete the second and third creative and only concentrate on the first creative.